Your iPhone is spying on you right now, and you probably didn't even know it because these settings are on by default.
Tap on Settings, scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security. From here, tap on Location Services. Look at all these apps and make sure you want these on. I have mine either while using or never. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and from here, tap on System Services. From here, scroll down and tap on Significant Locations. If this is turned on, it's recording everywhere that you've gone. For me, I prefer to have this one turned off. It does tell you if you disable it, what will happen.
Next, let's stop sharing our usage habits and data.
Tap on Settings, scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down, and from here, tap on Analytics and Improvement. I have all of these turned off, so I'm not sharing my usage habits or my data, including, as it states here, my location information.
Next, let's stop apps from following our behavior across other apps and websites.
Tap on Settings, scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security. From here, tap on Tracking. You're going to want this turned off so apps can't track your activity across other companies' apps and websites.
So let me know in the comments, were all of these settings turned on for you?